What is your favorite drink?
My favorite fruit is coffee pie.
How would you describe the taste of your favorite dish?
Delicious and crispy.
Can you describe the color of your favorite drink?
Its color is chocolate.
What texture does your favorite have? What ingredients do you use in your favorite dish?
Just tofu and spice.
How would you describe the smell of your favorite food cookie?
It smells so delicious.
Do you like your favorite drink or hot and cold?
I prefer cold drink.
How do you usually eat your favorite food?
Usually I use chopstick.
Is your favorite dish spicy, sweet, savory, or a combination?
My favorite is a combination.
Does your favorite drink have any bubbles or fish?
No, it is not.
How often do you eat or drink your favorite item?
I eat my favorite is
Where did you first try your favorite food or drink?
at the restaurant.
Restaurant. What makes your favorite dish unique?
It is combination. What I eat different dishes.
How would you describe the presentation of your favorite food or drink?
Food and my favorite.
Can you explain why you enjoy your favorite food
Yes,
or drink?
yes, I can.